It's good to be back home. Let's briefly check the mail, then play our favorite song while we charge the smartphone. It's that easy. Because from now on, the USB power adapter is precisely where it's needed, at a permanent place and always ready to go. What better choice is there than the ingenious combination consisting of the proven Schuko flush-mounted box with integrated USB power adapter? Here you can charge not only your smartphones, but also tablets, cameras, or MP3 players. The search for suitable power adapters and electric cables is now a thing of the past. But wait, isn't this merely a minor detail? True, but that's precisely what BUSCH-JAEGER do, place great emphasis on minor details. And that's why the new Schuko USB socket outlet is also available to match many of the switch ranges, and in each of the respective latest colors. This allows you to enjoy a home of uniform design. And by the way, this small comfort is highly economical. In standby mode, the consumption lies around 0.1 watt, which amounts to 20 cents per year. Highly ingenious, and it's precisely for this reason that it has been patented. The Schuko USB socket outlet. 2 in 1.